is Fox 26 Morning News at 6 a.m.
6:14 right now, and a young professional ice skater suffered an injury that almost kept her off the ice for good. But thanks to a local surgeon and a tiny robot, she's recovering from a state-of-the-art procedure.
Our Melissa Wilson was there when she got back on the ice for the very first time in about a year, and it's a story you'll only see right here on Fox.
21-year-old Sophia LaMay started ice skating in Houston when she was only 2 years old. A stress fracture to her spine recently put the brakes on ice skating. That's a big loss. In high school, Sophia was ranked second in the nation and joined the U.S. figure skating team. She was skated her way around the world in competitions. Then in college, the pain began.
And it just hurt so bad I couldn't even sit down in a chair for a long period of time, or I couldn't get up, or I would skate for 30 minutes and then have to stop because I couldn't move. And so I went to the doctor 3 weeks before my competition, and he told me that Dr. Badlani told me I couldn't skate.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
She's referring to Dr. Badlani from Orthopedic Sports Clinic.
It's good. I'm working out and swimming a lot.
Dr. Badlani first trying to help repair Sophia's damage through medication and rehabilitation.
Many patients with this don't end up needing surgery, and it's better to try as hard as we can to treat them non-operatively. But unfortunately for her, it was not enough.
That's when Dr. Badlani got the help from a friend in the form of this tiny robot, smaller than a soda can, at Westside Surgical Center.
Because of the robot, we can do it with a very small incision with less radiation to the surgeon and the patient, and that helps patients recover quicker. By using this technology, it's just a more accurate way and a safer way to place screws in the spine, and that's better for our patients.
Sophia has these tiny scars, while the traditional way would have left a 6-inch scar up her back.
What we've done here is we've put two big screws, they overlap. Two big screws in the L5 vertebra and two big screws here in the S1 vertebra, and a rod that connects the two. So if you look carefully, you can still see that little crack right there. So that fracture is always going to be there, but what we're doing now is stabilizing these two vertebrae together.
I'm kind of relieved that I'm bionic.
And very strong. We were with Sophia the moment she stepped out on ice for the first time after surgery. What a natural. 18 years of training came back instantly.
Feel tired. But what did it feel like to be out there? I mean, it just looked like you didn't skip a beat, you just hit it.
Yeah, it's like I never left.
Does it feel good to be back out there?
Yeah.
Can you believe it?
No.
It's been a year?
Yeah.
This is the first time in a year.
Yeah.
Are you emotionally kind of overwhelmed?
I'm too tired to cry, but if I could, I'd cry.
Of happiness?
Yeah.
Sophia made her way out on the ice several times while we were with her, all while her sister and mom watched every move.
So I'm grateful, though.
Is that where she wants to be and needs to be on that ice?
Yeah, that's her home. Since 2.5 years old, that's her home. She really enjoys it out there.
Her surgeon was even in the stands.
How's your back feel when you're doing all this stuff? Okay, good. I think the stuff that I want you to be careful about is anything that causes a twist.
Okay.
So when you're spinning in one spot, it's probably okay, but when you do jumps and you twist like this, it puts a lot of torque on those screws. And the other thing is a lot of impact on your back. Because
I wasn't going to do any jumping.
Even though she's been known for her powerful jumps, she's keeping it on hold for now, concentrating on other strengths like spinning. She will undoubtedly be competing again soon, gliding her way into the next big competition.
And we want to give a special thanks to Memorial City Mall for allowing us to see and enjoy Sophia's talents on their ice rink.
I'm sure we'll be visiting with Sophia again when she wins one of those competitions.
You know it too, but medical technology right now has really gotten to a fantastic point. I don't know whether you know, but many of the viewers do know that I had a similar type surgery, only it was on the upper neck. I too am a bionic person right now.
Wow, well, it's good to know that technology is evolving. I'm glad you're with us, Jose. I'm keeping you close right here. Time now.